We got an amazing packaging from Shay and Blue, and I want to play with these scents, review them, as well as see what my favorite combos are. Ooh, that's not bad. I can smell that already. Oh, I love that. Honestly, wouldn't even mix them with anything, but if I did, it would be with each other. I gotta give this one a 4 out of 10. And just because I don't like citrus. Yes, yes, immediately yes.
All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out.
What is up, guys? I am Shania Shayon, and welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're a girly like me, then I know you love your fragrances. So in today's vlog, we are going to be doing an unboxing as well as playing with some of my favorite layered scents from Shay and Blue. So make sure you guys stay tuned. We got an amazing packaging from Shay and Blue, and I want to play with these scents, review them, as well as see what my favorite combos are. So make sure you guys go hit that subscribe button. Shout out to Shay and Blue, and let's get into it, guys. I'm super excited. Let's go. Okay, y'all, so I got this package in from Shay and Blue, and I've really been excited to try these. Like, first of all, the packaging is really cute. Like, look at that. I love the packaging, and y'all know I'm a sucker for packaging. And it says, clean all gender fragrance that's all about you. And that's what I really love about Shay and Blue. They have all clean scents. Everything that I've smelled from them previous, like, is super unisex. There are some that I feel like men can wear. I feel like women can wear. One of my previous scents from them, my son was like, that smells so good. So he ended up taking my fragrance. So I'm super excited that they sent me over a package. So let's see what we got, okay? This is super cute. Oh, I am a sucker for some good packaging. So they sent me over this. Really nice. I love the box. Oh, y'all, yes. I cannot wait to try these. And I actually was just telling my friend that I wanted some fragrances that are smaller in size, because like all my fragrances are big. So I wanted some stuff that I could keep in my purse, that I can keep in my car, that I can just grab on the go without having my big bottles or doing my little refillables. So shout out to Shay and Blue, y'all. That is so nice. Like, I freaking love that. So let's see what we got here. So we are gonna start with so this one is called Melrose Apple Blossom. Okay, so let's see what that smells like. I usually love anything apple blossom. I'm a fall baby, so I love anything that gives me any type of fall vibes. Oh, I can smell this off. I can smell that already. Let's see, y'all. Oh, I love that. Ooh. Oh, I love that. It definitely gives apple blossom. Also give me a little musk, like a little oud, and I like that. Ooh, yeah, I can see why this definitely would be unisex, because it's warm and soft enough for a girl, but definitely bold enough for a man. And I love that, because I like bold scents. Like, I'm not a dainty scent girl. I love that. That would be a 9 out of 10 for me. And I'm gonna say a 9 out of 10 because I ain't tried the other ones, but that's at the, if any of these other ones are anything like that, then I'm gonna love them. So let's see what's next. This is their lilacs and gooseberries. Okay, I'm excited to see what that smell like. I typically do not like floral scents, so I hope it's not super like flower smelling. I'm gonna run out of space. Oh, okay. Oh, that's very soft and light. I definitely smell the lilac, but I also do smell some type of berry undertone, which I like because that makes it not really floral, which is good for me. What, like that? I like that. So this is the lilacs and gooseberries. This does give me a little bit more feminine though. I will say that. Like, this will be a scent that I would definitely keep in my car. This is about a 7 out of 10 for me. Like a 7 out of 10. Next up, we have the blood orange. Now, I will say one thing. I typically do not like anything citrus. But that's just my, I don't eat citrus like that. But it is blood orange, so it could be a little deeper. But I feel like blood orange is very like blood orange. Okay, it's definitely citrus. It's definitely citrus. It's definitely citrus. But if you are a citrus girl, it definitely gives blood orange, and specifically blood orange. My son would probably love this, actually. All right, for me, simply because I don't like citrus, I got to give this one a 4 out of 10. 4 out of 10 just because I don't like citrus. That's the only reason. If you were to layer that blood orange with like the apple blossom, yeah, the apple blossom, that would lift up the citrus a little bit. So I think that combo would be great. Like, I think that layering would be really good. The blood orange with the Melrose and apple blossom. Yeah, let's see what that smells like together. I need to get a little piece of paper. So let's see. So that's a little dab of that one. A little dab of that. And let's see what that smells like. Now that's not bad. Ooh, that's not bad. I actually really like that. Okay, so the Melrose apple blossom with the blood orange, y'all. Yeah, that's the combo. That's the combo. The Melrose apple blossom with the blood orange. That smells amazing. Now I like the combo. I don't like the blood orange by itself, but I do love it with that Melrose apple blossom. I like that. Okay, let's see what else we got. So next up we have the black tulip. And for some reason I feel like I'm really gonna like this. Let's see what that smells like. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this gives me luxury scent, high end. Yes. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Oh, that smells so good. It reminds me of something, but I can't put my finger on it. Oh, black tulip. It gives me like black cherry, a little bit of like that floral tulip undertone, but not heavy. Oh, it gives me date night. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I think that the black tulip may be my favorite. Maybe my favorite so far. I like that a lot, y'all. Next we have caramel salt, and I already know I'm gonna love this because I love anything like caramel warm. Like, it gives me like it's gonna have some vanilla undertones. Let's see though. Yes. Immediately yes. Immediately yes. It smells like everything I just said. A little woody. Oh yeah, vanilla, caramel. I smell the sea salt. I smell that. Yeah. 10 out of 10. And I'm gonna be honest. Mix that black tulip with that caramel salt. Yep. Ooh. Oh my God, that smells so good. Yeah, that's my favorite combo. That's how you layer that. The black tulip with the caramel salt, and then the blood orange with either the Melrose apple blossom or either with the gooseberry one. Oh, this smells like money. But again, this also smells like you can let it stand by itself. And I think that's why I love this one and the black tulip. They smell like I honestly wouldn't even mix them with anything. But if I did, it would be with each other. Yeah. Ooh, I'm so excited. Shout out to Shay and Blue. Thank you guys so much for sending this over. I cannot wait to go on and shop and try some more. You guys make sure you follow them, subscribe to their channel, go support. Like, these smell amazing. And another thing, like I said earlier, like, I really like the size. I need some stuff that I can just pop in my purse and go. I also really love that packaging. I love that they sent me a sampler. I love that. So shout out to Shay and Blue. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys get your summer and fall scents up, okay? Because fall is around the corner. And make sure you guys do that with Shay and Blue. So I will see you guys in the next vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Shout out to Shay and Blue. Make sure you guys go shop them. I will have them linked in the description. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.